Hello everyone. Today, I want to take you on a journey to a place of tranquility, beauty, and tradition. Imagine winding through narrow roads, flanked by fields of golden wheat, reaching their peak under a sky adorned with both sun and clouds. The perfect spring day. As we ventured deeper into the heart of the countryside, we stumbled upon a village straight out of a storybook. The air was filled with the aroma of earth and the promise of a bountiful harvest. But what truly captured our hearts were the people we met. We were welcomed with open arms into the traditional farmhouse in local village. Sitting amidst the serene surroundings, we couldn't help but marvel at the harmony between man and nature. Beside the farmhouse lay vast fields, meticulously tended to, showcasing the farmer's dedication and love for the land. And scattered around were the inhabitants of this peaceful abode. Cows, buffalo, ducks, and even a magnificent peacock displaying its vibrant feathers. But our visit wasn't just about soaking in the beauty of rural life. We were there with a purpose: to spread awareness about the importance of quality education, especially in the primary sector. As we engaged with the villagers, we shared ideas, exchanged stories, and worked together to uplift their community through education.